In this candied grapes tutorial, I am going to show you how to get all three patriotic colors, red, white, and blue, all from one candy apple mixture because I don't believe in reheating. I believe in getting the job done the first time around. So if you think you're going to put the third color in a silicone cup like this, guess again. Because, honey, I barely got one. Whether you are a beginner or not, hit that subscribe button. So go on ahead and get your candy apple recipe together by using this candy apple mixture: 6 cups of sugar, 4 cups of water, and 1 cup of light corn syrup right here. And if you don't have light corn syrup, you can get it in my Amazon bake shop, or you can go to candyapple.tv if you cannot order from Amazon for some reason.
This is Candy Apple TV with DIY Queen Diva.
If you keep stirring your candy apple mixture in this candy apple pot, and your candy apple mixture is thick like this during the whole time you stir, that means that your candy is going to come out thick. But if you keep stirring like this, and your candy apple mixture comes out like this where you are able to stir, that means that your candy will come out perfect with the perfect crunch. For your candied grapes, I'm using the same candy apple recipe I use for my candy apples. Honey, I'm trying to let my hair grow back out. Do y'all like my ponytail? Let me know down in the comments. But you know, you guys need to make sure you have that candy thermometer, because if you don't have your candy thermometer, your candy ain't gonna come out right. Now, when you're making candied grapes, a lot of people like to use these drams, but I'm not going to use that because it'll tint the color and I wouldn't be able to get the red, white, and blue. I'm just going to use the regular butter vanilla. Each bowl has 15 grapes. I'm going to put 2 picks in it, but at the end of the day, I'm going to put all of these in one bowl because it'll be easier for me to dip as I go. Honey, I've been fooling around and I just let my candy apple mixture sit on the stove for some reason. I guess I'm just crazy right now. But my candy apple mixture has reached 300 degrees. I am using WILTONS white icing. I have pretty much ran out. So I need to order some more from my Amazon bake shop. And my Amazon bake shop link is down below in the description box. This is all that I use. I mean, this is perfect. WILTONS white icing color is perfect for anything. As far as your white candy apples or your white candied grapes, it's going to get that bright white color. So when you want to make white candy apples or white candy grapes, use WILTONS white icing color. Okay, I am dipping my grapes down in my white candy apple mixture. Now, as you see, these first two look pretty much translucent kind of because I had kind of ran out of white. So I am going to add some more white icing, the little bit that I got in this bottle, honey. I'm going to try to make it do what it do. There we go. These white candied grapes are perfect now. Let me go ahead and re-dip these two. You need to work and move fast. If you're about that 641 candy apple recipe life, you're going to get 3 colors. Like I said, I was just letting this sit on the stove. I was letting my candy apple mixture sit on the stove, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to start dipping my candied grapes. What am I thinking? Because I don't do no reheating. Now grab you another candy apple pot or whatever pot you have and pour some of that white in another pot. Set it aside. But with your first one, you're going to go ahead and add Hobby Lobby Super Red. You're going to add several drops to get the red candied grapes. Stir up your sweet candy apple mixture magic. Make your red candied grapes in your red candy apple mixture. Baby. With that white candy apple mixture you put to the side in another pot, grab that and get you some Hobby Lobby navy blue. You only need 1 drop. I had got a little heavy-handed, but for that marble effect, just don't stir it all the way through, and dip your navy blue candied grapes for your blue patriotic color. Let me know down in the comment section if you are going to try all 3 colors. I think this will be a top seller, a top banger to add to your 4th of July treat list. If you are too afraid to start, let me know down in the comment section why. Don't worry about if they don't come out right or not. Everybody got a starting point. Don't compare yourself to anyone else but yourself. As a beginner, it seems like all of the beginners are having success using 641 candy apple recipe. They are loving it. So you can't fail with 641 candy apple recipe, whether you're doing candy apples or making candied grapes. If you have enjoyed this candied grape tutorial, make sure you just sit around and stay tuned to watch my next videos coming up right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next video.